Today I got this beautiful piece of art to install, the Allisport expansion vase aluminium piece with the side to control and monitor the cooling level, also with a sensor to warn you if the cooling level goes down. So this will be a great upgrade to the existing one. Let's do this. This expansion vase will replace the existing one. This one is already difficult to see the level. I got some leaks over here also, as you can notice. I think it's gonna be a great upgrade to the car, and also as a security measurement, because if your coolant level gets down, it's something for you to worry about, and this one has a warning, has a sight. Let's install it. Because I got some coolant level inside still, and I'm going to try to take it out first of all and then pass the coolant level to the other gauge. I'm gonna try to take out this screw first, and with this screw out, okay, so like this is already out. This will be a direct fit on the car. It's got the same attachment, same screw. Put this one over there. Okay, final step. I'm just making sure it goes all the way in. Topping up the Allisport vase with the antifreeze coolant from Land Rover. Advise you to use only the original one. What can I say? Advantages of this Allisport expansion vase. First of all, it's the ability for you to open the hood and visually check the coolant level. That's very useful. Second one, the ability to plug a buzzer, a light inside the cockpit dashboard that warns you if the coolant level gets low. So that's also very important. These are the two wires that connect to the probe inside the expansion vase. One wire needs to be connected to ground and the other one to the buzzer or to the LED, or even both if you want to have both warnings in the cockpit. I provide the connection diagram right here. Just follow these steps and it's going to be an easy connection. Finishing the wiring for the expansion vase alert. When the level is low, the expansion vase relay will trigger this buzzer that I've placed here inside the console, and will also trigger a small LED light that I've placed here. So as an example, the relay will power it and you will see red lights and buzzer flashing. This will give you a nice alert when your cooling level is below the one that it should be. Short video, but nevertheless important part to change on our Defender if you have the time and availability. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you for the next one.